How you doing? My name is Eric Ware. My company name is Sane Infinity Artworks. Hi. This is my work station setup right here. This is how I set up. Basically, I know my colors are set up, based on the color code of the cap. It's hard to tell, sort of, but once you're in the game for a while, you understand it. I got my clips here to tighten up my shirts. I keep them handy at all times, and also use it as a handy holder for my brush so it won't fall or clip up, and I keep my hose close by. If you keep it long out like this, customers come by and trip over your wire and drop your brush. It can break. It's an expensive brush there. Now I got my box here. This is where I lock up all my compressor equipment. That's my air. That's what gives me the pressure and stuff like that for me to paint. And this is my hose. All this stuff comes separate, man. People be trying to get kits and stuff for airbrush, but you got to get this separate. Hose comes separate. The airbrush compressor comes separate. This piece comes separate. The bottles, paint, and everything. Now this is the airbrush cleaner. Keep that handy by you too. Right here, you add this with a little bit of water in one of these bottles, and shake it up, and then blow it out of the brush like this. That's how you keep everything handy, clean. Loosen the top, pull back gently, and you clean out all that gook that's inside of it. That's good. That's the compressor that's running in here. It fills up the air every now and then. Once the air gets low, it refills it up again. It's a tank.